Good morning, student. Today we will see 7 tools of quality. First of all, what is quality? It is a meeting of needs and expectation of customers, says by Jimmy Reality defines for his book Production and Operation. It is a perpetual condition and somewhat subjective attributes and may be understood differently by different people. Here is it 7 tools. First, check sheet, histogram, Pareto chart, cause and effect diagram, control chart, scatter diagram, and flow chart. First, check sheet. It is a document to collect the data in real time at the location where the data is generated, and that data can be quantitative and qualitative. This information quantitative to check sheet is sometimes called a tally sheet. It is simply data recording device and systematically record and compile that data from sources. Then histograms. It is a bar graph shows frequency data and it is used to graphically summarize and display the distribution and variation of a process data set. It is the easiest way to evaluate and distribution of data. Here see histograph and different point of view tools of open stream, stream stretch, dirty, plate and point of down individual see the defect of the problem or represented by graphically of histograph. Then Pareto charts. It can be used to display the categories of problems graphically so that can be properly priorities. That chart indicates problem to tackle first by showing the proportion of the total problem that each of the smaller problem comprise. And this is based on the Pareto principles. 20% of the sources cause 80% of the problem. Here see the Pareto chart. Horizontal axis see the different individual defect and vertically axis left hand side individual defect code and right hand side vertically cumulative percentage. Then cause and effect diagram. It is also known as fishbone diagram. Why? Because essentially reassemble one with the long spin and various connecting branches, and that is also known as Ishikawa diagram because Karao Ishikawa developed this diagram in 1943. Different benefits of cause and effect diagrams. It helps determine the root cause problem and qualitative characteristic using a structured approach. Encourages group participation and utilize group knowledge of the process. Use an orderly, easy to read format to diagram cause and effect relationships. It indicates possible cause of variation in a process. It is increase the knowledge of the process by helping everyone to learn more about the factors at work and how they are related. Then fishbone diagram. Here show the fishbone diagram pictures for main and method. Main we are divided inefficiently and horizontal axis for sketch, and then machine and material. Machine take timing, machine time and machine tension process. Then control chart. See the figure of control chart. Horizontal axis for dotted line. Horizontal axis is time and vertical axis is market point of view. And dotted line red color lower side is lower control limit and upper side dotted line red color is upper control limit. And out of control point special cause of lower side. Lower the LCL it is point. Here see green arrow for out of the control point. It is also known as process behavior chart for statically process control are tools used to determine in manufacturing or business process in a state of statistical control. And horizontal axis is process average point. Then scatter diagrams. it shows the correlation between two variables in a process. That means two variables are allowable. It is pair of numerical data and one variable on each axis to look for a relationship between them. If the variables are correlated, the point will fall along a line or curve. The better the correlation, the tighter the point will hug the line. Here see the different scatter diagrams for positive correction, negative correction, no correction, positive correction may be present and negative correction may be present. Then flow chart. See the figure of flow chart, and it is the formalized graphical representation of a logic structure: AND gate, OR gate, start point, end gate. Then this manufacturing work process organization chart or similar formalized structure. Then today we have seen 7 QC of quality for check sheet, histograph, Pareto chart, cause and effect diagram, control chart, scatter diagram and flow chart. Thank you.